Apple acquired Buddybuild, a startup that offers services to help application developers with testing and iterations of users. Apple will transfer Vancouver's Buddybuild team to its Xcode engineering division, where the team will create new tools and features for iOS developers. We still do not know exactly what form they will take, but it is likely that they are still related to debugging and collecting comments from users. The services and products currently offered by Buddybuild are similar in some ways to the existing Apple TestFlight tool, also an acquisition, which allows application developers to share test compilations of beta applications. Apple has always made coding developers a cornerstone of the strategy for their platforms. Let's call it trickle-down platform development. First, it gives developers powerful tools and an app store that puts their concerns front and center, then creates software that attracts consumers to the platform. Every time Apple manages to attract developers to create an application experience that is unique to its ecosystem, it's a win from Apple's perspective. This approach is the driving force behind many of the features that were new to iPhones last year, such as the TrueDepth camera and the various components and features of AR. These are features that in theory would allow developers to create applications on the iPhone that would not be possible on other platforms, or at least not as easy to implement.